360.
What's the one? Breakfast, we raise a hand.
Grandma wants to take you. Do the 360.
Ready, Grandma?
Go the other way. You get better ones.
I'm ready. Oh, come on back down this way. I'll follow ya. Wow!
So bad.
That's awesome, Evan.
Okay, I gotta go get some stuff.
Look out, here he comes. Show some sparks, boy.
I think the tilt-a-whirl is boring. What? I'm gonna think the tilt-a-whirl.